Welcome to Slow Passport. In a world that's always rushing, the greatest journeys begin when we slow down. Join me as we explore breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cities, hidden gems, and unforgettable destinations across the UK and beyond. From the dramatic cliffs of the Peak District to sun-drenched coastlines, peaceful woodland trails, historic streets, and stunning viewpoints, every journey is filmed in beautiful 4K with immersive natural sound, so you can experience each destination as if you were there. Whether you're planning your next adventure or simply taking a moment to escape, Slow Passport invites you to discover the world one step at a time. Welcome to Slow Passport. Let's explore together.